John finally installed his fireplace. Round. I don't even know what shape is this. Beautiful. Okay, look at me, tired, doing last minute shopping. Oh, I love shopping anyway. Last minute, any minute, beautiful decoration, nice decoration. I just love those lights. Okay, you guys see this round? I don't even know what shape is this. Beautiful. I love it, and I love the color. Like, I love it. It's a winter wonderland outside. All day, all day. It's this storm started. It started actually yesterday with rain, just rain, and then all the rain freezes on the ground, and then snowfall on it. It's all ice and blowing snow, blizzard. Oh my goodness. It's not a good weather to be outside. What's up, everyone? It's freezing, freezing cold in here. We don't have heat. The heat is not working at home since yesterday. So we had a storm in our area in the GTA since Thursday. So it started with high wind, probably like 100 km/h. Now that's a lot of wind. That's a very high wind. So I'm sitting on my couch in my living room right now, and with a blanket on, and I'm still wearing my favorite sweater at all time. I got this at Pink Victoria's Secret Pink store, and I probably like wash it and wear it like almost every week during the weekend, especially when I'm home. Because it feels so cozy. So you're probably gonna see me with this t-shirt like more than one time. So you must be thinking, oh, why she's wearing this again? Coffee is good, keeps you warm. So it's Saturday, and so we have a long day. We had a long day off, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, plus Monday. That's a long day, and when it's time to go to work, you won't feel it because too much holidays. Anyways, so this having coffee when you're feeling cold is just help keep you warm. And today I have guests coming over. Hopefully the heat work before that happen. I still have to do what I have to do. I started yesterday to prepare stuff that I need for the get together, and hopefully I can do it with out feeling cold. Once you're standing and start doing something, you can like just forget about the cold weather. But it's freezing. We still have wind. The snow and the rain is stopped. But it's just high wind. The wind gonna stay until tomorrow. It's not gonna leave us that easy. So it's gonna be cold. It's probably like -7 or something. And yeah, so we're just gonna hope for the best. This is not getting any better. It's getting colder and colder, and the heat is still not working. It tried to come out a little bit, but then it just went down back to cold. So I had my meat on my counter since last night, removing from the freezer, and it should defrost. Didn't defrost yet because the temperature in the house is too cold. It's I would say probably like maybe 0 or under 0. I don't know, it's just like so cold. So right now I'm gonna do some cranberry pickle, which I never done before. This is going to be my first time. All right, first time ever. I'm gonna make cranberry pickle. I have another pack of cranberry over here, which I think it's too much. So this is 2 bags of this size. And it also say non-GMO, which is better to eat for us. So I don't know, I'm gonna do something else with this bag over here, and this bag is enough. So like the bigger one like that, I'm just gonna cut them into half, and then the small one just like so, I'm gonna leave them like whole. Okay, so the noise outside is John cleaning the snow, shoveling the snow, so you can hear the sound. So yeah, I'm gonna go do this pickle first. I'm gonna start with that. Hopefully I'm done before my guest comes. So next time we have the fireplace on for some heat, because the heat is still not working. It is right now 9:30. I woke up like 7 o'clock and still nothing. At least for emergency, we have this fireplace that we can feel some heat. Waiting for my butter to be softened at room temperature so that I can go make the puy d'amour, but the butter is still halfway frozen. If it doesn't work, then I'm gonna probably put it in the microwave a little bit for like 10 seconds. It's gonna go soft, and then right now I'm sitting in front of it, so just so I can get some heat and some energy, and so I can go start doing what I have to do. Hopefully somebody come soon to fix our heat. I don't know what happened. I think like water built up in the pipe outside, because last night it was crazy storm, and with the wind, with the ice, well, it rained before, and then the temperature freeze to ice, and on top of the ice, snowfall. But it was just a blowing snow, and by the wind and the blowing snow, probably like water went in the pipe and stuck there somehow. We did get somebody to fix it last night, but that was like for half an hour. It didn't even work. Like, it did not work at all. So we still have to get somebody else to come and fix our heat, so we can get heat. You can see me holding the phone. I'm using my phone to film this. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know what to do.
I just want to relax a little bit.
Okay, at the light, turn left onto DeWitt Row.
We don't have internet. We can't do anything. So we are just out, and I was walking outside, and the wind almost blew me.
This light is out. Be careful here.
Yeah, power outage.
It's 1-1.
So everybody stop. Whose turn?
Then this guy's.
This guy turn?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's my turn.
Yeah.
So for the holiday season, Tim Horton is having this.
In 1.3 kilometers, turn left onto King Street East.
And that's my GPS talking. Guys, this is so good. If you're in Canada, you're gonna have to try this before it finish, because this is just for the holiday season. Roasted hazelnut cold brew coffee. The bomb, and the bomb. So good. John wanna get on
In 1 kilometer, turn left onto King Street
He
East.
does not feel like talking right now. He's feeling tired, bored, and so we said, let's go out a little bit so we can have some cold air. We already had home cold air all night without heat.
2 days, no heat. Drove me nuts.
Oh, we can't do nothing.
I spent 2 days trying to fix the machine myself.
And now,
Now we have heat, we left
now
the house.
we got internet too. The internet just came. We found out when we came outside already. So we're just gonna go do what we have to do, and then back home and just relax in the warm.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn left.
Stop it. It's not gonna go down. We're just gonna chill at home. And tonight I'm planning to make biryani. Yes, we are eating biryani. And a nice large plate of salad.
Yes, I like salad.
You like biryani, right?
I love biryani.
How you used to eat
At the
biryani
light,
before?
turn left onto King Street East.
Mayonnaise. Have you guys tried this? John used to eat biryani with mayonnaise. Like, I don't know, how does he do that? Not anymore, right?
No.
Now
Too
he
much
eats
calories.
the pickles, the chili pickles that we eat, just like naturally. Eat biryani the way he's supposed to be now. Kuchamang, zasopima, which is the mango pickles, and the chili pickles.
Yeah, so good.
And Pepsi.
No Pepsi for me. Just water.
Just water.
Sometimes ginger ale.
Today is 25th of December. Everything is closed, guys. Everything is closed. So 24th of December is not the same as celebrate in Mauritius. It's different. Like 24th of December in Mauritius, people are still going out late night, probably like 11, 12 o'clock. There is still so much amusement outside. So many toys are being selling, not only toys but food and stuff like that. I remember when I was in Mauritius, from 15th of December to 31st of December, there is like so much going on the road, so much going on in the stores for shopping and stuff like that. But on the 24th here, it's just like 5 o'clock, everything is closed, there is nothing. So what everybody does here is they close down early. All the shop means everything, even the stores that like coffee shops that stays open 24/7, they all close at 20. Most of it, like 99% of it, will be closed 5 o'clock on 24, so that they can go celebrate with their family, and then they open their gift like late night, midnight or so. And then today on the 25th is just like celebration with families, food and stuff like that. So then if you have like no plan on this day, it's just like kind of boring, because everything is closed outside. You just can't go nowhere, and it is so cold. It's -10 with a wind chill. It probably feels like -20, and we're still having like heat problem in the house. Heat issues is still going on. So John is fixing it, like, you know, time to time. He has to babysit the heat, and otherwise we would be like so cold. I wouldn't be even with a big sweater inside the house at this time, because if the heat works properly, I would be like okay with just wearing a little small sleeve sweater, you know, to be comfortable in the house. but it was a storm, so I just came upstairs in my bedroom right now, and I was just kind of, like being bored, so I tried this foundation from Dior right now, and so all I had is a foundation, and so this is the shades that they gave me, and I used this one right here. Probably match my color, my skin color. And on top of that, this is Buxom's a blush that is so beautiful. Like, I don't regret buying this blush. It is just like so pigmented. I just like to put a little bit on my nose, just like a sun-kiss. So pretty. I love it. So I was just doing some makeup, and probably I don't know, maybe we can go out a little bit, just around, driving around, or maybe I can make a video, a cooking video, or maybe John and I can vlog a little bit. So we'll do stuff like that today. And I like to use my Charlotte Tilbury's. This is a airbrush flawless finish powder. I like to go just under my eyes. Just like so, because I went to sleep like late last night, so anytime when I go to bed late night, then I have this showing. Otherwise, outside it is bright and sunny. Who doesn't like holiday? But the thing is, like holiday, like 25th, 1st of January, it is just like a Sunday. Like, I don't know, it's like that even in Mauritius. Even when I was in Mauritius, it was still like that. Like, you feel just like quiet everywhere. It's like no noise, no sound.
Really?
John is doing my laundry.
Really? Really?
That's
Baby,
not.
calm down.
Keep quiet. That's not true. He didn't do my laundry. You did not do my laundry. I put everything in the machine. You just turn it on.
Yeah, because Laila doesn't know how to start the washing machine.
Oh
Her
my goodness.
own
I never
washing
learned how to
machine.
turn the washing machine and the dryer. So,
So,
John
John.
finally installed his fireplace, and I think he's going to explain about it.
I had an old TV fireplace. I removed it and I replaced it with the modern one, which is on the wall. Yeah, nothing special. I'll show you a little bit later when everything is lit up. Lights.
Oh,
The
that,
light
you have
show.
to wait for the night time for
Yeah,
that.
well, it's still
right?
morning. So when we come down to watch a movie, I'll show you
So
guys.
this is our basement, and he bought this couch, this dark gray color during COVID online. And now this is our old couch. He is not happy about the matching color. This is the very old couch that we had
From our condo.
from the condos that we lived before we moved in this house. So
Before we
now
bought this house, we don't
he
live here, we
is
own
going
this.
crazy. He just wanna change to one piece.
Wrap around sectional.
Yeah, sectional in like this kind of color, like light gray, like this.
No, this kind of color.
No, this kind of color is old now. Look at that. He sit on it with the dark blue color clothes, and even we brought people here to
Steam clean it.
steam cleaning.
Calm down.
Still, it never those blue color didn't come out. Like, I don't know. He's supposed to throw that clothes away. Like, don't wear it. Don't wear it. So I want to make shortbread cookie. Like, I think we do get this in Mauritius. I don't know. I'm not sure. But so right now I'm using the sunlight from outside. All my light is off. So we are using natural light right now. Just save some energy. So yeah, I'm gonna go make shortbread cookie for the first time. I'm not talking about Napolitan. These originally a Scotland cookies biscuit. We call it biscuit in Mauritius. When I came here, USA and Canada, they call it cookies. So I'm gonna try to make these those little like ball, like cheese ball size of cookies or biscuit. They are not, there's no cheese in it. It's just butter, flour, and sugar. So with a little bit of vanilla. So I have my cookbook, my notebook right here. So I'm gonna try to write the recipe right now and test the recipe and give you a result if it's how did it turn. For the first time I never made it, but yes, I'm feeling the flavor in my mouth right now, like for those cookies. So and this time around the holiday season, there is always these cookies in the store. So this time I couldn't find it. Maybe it's done, or I don't know. I couldn't find it. So if I did, it was just little pack, which just for one person, and it's done, because these cookies are so good. So what if you get a chance to make it at home? Why not? Shortbread cookie is ready. So good.